Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you the best wallpaper app on iOS. So let's start. First open the App Store. Now type in Wallpaper Central and search for it. This app is completely free. So download it and open it right now. This is the homepage of the app. At the top of the page you will see a carousel with different options. And if you start scrolling down, you will see different sort of wallpapers. Now let's look at some wallpapers. Now tap on Feed at the bottom of the screen and you'll see uploads from different contributors. Now tap on Live Walls just beside Feed at the bottom of the screen. This is a pro feature of this app, but still you can explore this section. Now tap on Faces just beside Live Walls at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see Watch Faces. You can also use these wallpapers as your wallpaper on iOS device. And if you tap on Collections, you'll see different sort of collections. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and you'll see the option to sign in with Apple. And you can also go to the home page by tapping on Home. Now tap on a heart icon of a wallpaper to add it to your favorites. And to access favorites, then tap on three bars on top left corner and tap on Favorites. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.